Yo, what's good? What's good? I'm back with another video, man. Hope everybody doing all right. So this video, I got a pocket options strategy to show y'all. Now, pocket options is it's basically the same thing as trading. It's the same thing as binary options or just trading options. Period. But yeah, this is my setup. This is how everything looks. Bottom left, you'll see trade signals. Those are only two really you'll normally use once you're trading, but the main one is trades. It's right here to show open and closed. Tap it again to make it go away, but this is my setup. So the strategy is called the parabolic wave. It utilizes three indicators total, one being the parabolic SAR, which is the dots that you see on top of the candles. The second is the momentum indicator at the bottom. I keep that set at 4. Then above that we have the stochastic oscillator. For this strategy, I have it set to 533. Now, these are the rules at hand. For a buy, it's just as simple as getting a cross up on the stochastic, while also having a green bar on the top of the 100 line, which is the middle line that separates the green and the red. You see how from the green, when it goes from green to red, there's a small minor line. If you look to the bottom right, you'll see a 0 in the middle. So again, for a buy, you want to see a cross up. So that means the green line should be above the red or crossing through the red line going in the upward direction, along with there being a green bar on top, along with the parabolic dot being on the bottom at the top at the under price on the chart. Same goes for a sell. You look for a green cross below red on the stochastic. You will look for a red bar on the bottom of the 100 line, which is the middle line. And you will look for, again, the parabolic dot to be on top of price. And we already have a setup coming right here. Now, with this strategy, those are the rules. Those are the three confluences you want to look for when trading this strategy. Now, pocket options is like Forex, but it's very different. All the same. You can trade the same assets while also being able to trade a wide range of other assets. But with this strategy in particular, you want to have your time duration set to 1 minute, your amount set to whatever you're trying to trade today. I wouldn't suggest going over 1 to 2% or trying to make 1 to 2% on your account, depending on what that is on a daily basis. But what you're looking for is you're looking for the cross, the bar on the bottom, and the dot on the top for a sale. Once you get in, you're going to get in when the timer next to this where it says M1 and it got the timer going down. You want to get in on the candle when it says 50 seconds, and then you just let it ride. Now, once you get in the trade, you cannot take it out, so you ain't got to worry about it. If you lose it, you lose it. You feel me? Rule of thumb is you lose 4 trades in a row, be done for the day. But let's get into the strategy. So I'm gonna shut up for a minute, and I'm gonna look for some setups, and I'm gonna enter and show you what's what on both sides, buy side and sell side. All right, we're still selling on this. Go to another pair. I was at the 200. I'm gonna leave it alone. We'll set up right here. We might be about to get it set up right here. I'll wait for this to end, see what's going on. And what I like to do is I like to change it to desktop mode, even though I'm on my phone. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. It helps me with my confirmations, but that's just how I choose to do it. All right, we still got the bar on the top, but now we're looking for the bar to be on the bottom. We're looking for the green to cross above the red on the stochastic at the bottom, and we're looking for a green bar on the top for a buy. So as soon as this white dot appear on the bottom of price, we got the cross up, we got the green dot, let's go. 50 seconds on that exact candle that it happens on. And you just let it ride. It's not looking like it's going to give the setup right now. It's taking its time. All right, it's starting to go the other direction. Let me look for another setup. It would have been a setup, but we got a red candle. I missed this one by one candle. The entry would have been on a previous candle. Pfizer. Nah, the payout too low on that. Let me go back. Payout 92 on there. That setup already happened though. Go American. Nope. What's going on, dog? Market moving real stupid right now. We got a setup on Apple. I don't know why the market moving like how it's moving right now. It was decent this morning. But it's at the start of the session, so can't really be mad at it. But he can't be doing this during the video though, G. Got a buy set up right here. Now the percentage for this pair is 92%. I got in with $44, so that means the profit is $40.48. You can see it in the top right. If it's too small, I'll switch back after this, but this is a decent buy setup. Now, if you do get the cross and the dot before you had the momentum bar going in your favor, that's okay. You just have to wait until it's either green for a buy or red for a sell, going whichever way you're trying to trade. Got that. As soon as the trade come out, you get the profit. That's what it is. Now you can choose a withdrawal at any time. I believe the minimum is $10 now. It was $20. I believe it's $10 now. But that's a buy setup. Now I'm gonna switch back to the mobile version. And I'm gonna shut up again and look for a sale. Market looking crazy right now though. I would definitely recommend trading during session time. Yes, Tokyo starts at 7, but the momentum don't normally kick in until around 8. So the market will move a little crazy until then. And for New York session, it's 8:30 to 5 p.m. EST. But yeah, let's see if we can find a setup. A sales setup. Okay, let's go ahead and switch it over. There we got one on Facebook. Cross down, the bar on the bottom, down on the top. But since I caught it right here, I'm going to wait until the next candle. And see what's up. We'll see how it closed too. You close above the top, it's over. Might have to leave you alone. Oh, yeah, it's changing. I don't know about this one. How you trying to close, big fella? That bar ain't big enough for me on the bottom for the momentum. Back to mobile. See if I can find a setup real quick. A sell setup. No, that already happened. Cross down. All right, let me go ahead and switch. Get in on this next. See what's up. All right, bar, cross, dot on top. All right. See what you're talking about, McDonald's. Oh, you melting. So I'm talking about. Your ice cream machine must not be working again. But it's the sell side, man. So that for that buy side, I had 344s in, which gave me, for each, it gave me a profit of $40.48. 48 times 3. What's that? 40, 80, 120, a little over 120 plus this 80. So what's that? Almost $200 in 2 minutes. Now remember, that has to be momentum. If there's no momentum, none of this will work. You feel me? It'll be very hard to find a setup. You see these bars at the bottom? Let me go ahead and switch back. These bars at the very bottom under momentum, they have to be a decent size when you get that cross. They can't be too small, like in the middle here with the white dots. With the red bar, you can barely see it in the middle at the very bottom. Then it's followed by those two, kind of like fangs, or you feel me, the red bars or whatever. So the bars have to be a decent size, have a cross, and the parabolic dot, which is the white dot, has to be in the correct position. So again, for a buy, looking for the dot to be on the bottom of price, looking for the green candle on the stochastic at the bottom to cross above the red line. The green line to cross above the red line on the stochastic for a buy, and you're looking for the momentum to have a decent sized green bar on the top. Vice versa for a sell. Get in at the 50-second mark of the candle, of the 1 minute candle, for a 1 minute time duration, and you let it ride. Practice this in the demo first. Win 3 trades in a row. You got it. Go ahead and go to the live and run it up, but be very cautious. Don't just get in unless you check off every rule that you have for entry. But that's it. That's all. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.